Hey friends, if you encounter the error, sorry PowerPoint can't read in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. So first of all, search for PowerPoint in the Windows search bar and open PowerPoint. Okay, click on File and then you can go to the Information tab and check the properties here if it is locked, because if it is locked, okay, then you will not be able to make changes without the password. After that, go to account and make sure it says product activated. If not, then activate the product, because without activating PowerPoint you will not be able to make the edits. Other than this, if it is an add-in that is blocking the process, then click on options, go to add-ins, change it to com add-ins, click on go, and if any add-in is mentioned here, then simply remove it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.